Markets, yeah. So Europe was mixed. Japan was stronger. Really, what we're going to be looking at, a couple things, and then they're later on in the week. Well, the CES, the Consumer Entertainment Show, that starts today. So that's always, some big reveals on products and things like that. So that's something to watch in the tech sector. JP Morgan has their healthcare symposium that's this week, and then we also have Fed minutes on Wednesday. So those are kind of the big things, macro things that we're looking at right now. All right, what else do we got here? What's moving here? XLF Financial ETF, a lot of mess there. Not going to jump on that. Baba's already, we got our momentum indicators just kind of stuck in the middle there, so we're not going to do a whole heck of a lot. DAL, still, we're getting some volume, but we're also getting conflicting momentum indicators, so we can't do anything with these. Let's just wait here. Target jumps up. Obviously, the DMI is already pointing down on that. I'm not going to go chase that.